Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to our channel Teacher Info, and we are back with a new video. And in this video we are gonna discuss eligibility criteria and test guide 2021 for CBM or IBM too. So please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos. So during this video I'm not gonna teach you anything but will let you know about the admission process and eligibility criteria. Least but not the least, test sample pattern, how much time you should contribute to each of the activities that have been given by the university for spring 2021 or fall 2022. So let's talk about eligibility criteria. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So one should have gained at least 55 percentage in intermediate board, right? And if you have done O levels, only 5 C's are allowed. If you have more than that, you are not eligible to enroll in any of the program. There is also a condition set by the university for O level student that if you are studying O levels in Pakistan, so you should have done 8 subjects which are listed in the slides. So that subjects are English, Urdu, Islamiyat, Maths, Pakistani studies, compulsory subjects, right? So same percentage is required in SSC, in your metric, right? So no less than that will be accepted. Obviously the last one is aptitude test and panel interview should be done in that manner. One can't, no one can't resist you studying there. So basically you should have gained at least 55 percentage in your metric, and there should be a success in aptitude test and panel interview conducted by the IABM, that no one can't resist you studying there. So if you want to get exemptions from aptitude test, so what you should do. So if you want exemptions from aptitude test, so scoring 1100 is mandatory for any kind of exemptions from aptitude test. So 55 marks out of 800, 55 marks out of 800 in maths, and 55 out of 800 in evidence based reading and writing. And if we specifically talk about this marks, so we should have gained at least 1100 marks. So a total of 1100 marks is required for the exemptions. Okay. So now if we specifically talk about the spring aptitude test, so it is to be held on November 13. Okay, and result will be announced on November 20. Fee for the admit card is 3000. Okay. So this is the whole thing regarding the enrollment and applying and registration for the registering yourself for the aptitude test. So अच्छा, test result जो है is to be announced on November 25 p.m. on, you can check your portal where you have registered yourself for the aptitude test, so you can see your result on November 25 p.m. right? So let's talk about the paper, which is very important thing of this video. Everything was important, but this is the most important thing. Okay. So this paper is divided and subdivided in vocabulary, reading comprehension, and a lot more. Okay. The first part is vocabulary, and you have 15 items. Time limit that has been given by the university is 10 minutes. So second part we have is structure and written expressions, and you have 15 items. 15 item means that you have 15 questions that need to be answered by you, right? So you have 15-minute time limit, 5-minute time limit. So part 3 is section A. Part 3 is subdivided into section A and section B. So part 3 is reading comprehension, and there is question number 1 to 10 to be responded. So 10 minutes, you have a 10-minute time limit. And part 3 section B, you have question number, at least you have 10 questions, and you have time limit of 5 minutes. So section 4 is problem solving. In this part I think there is any kind of bus problems. Okay, you need to be solve them. Okay, So we have section 4 and problem solving. We have 25 items and 20 minutes time limit to respond those questions, right? So section 5, number series and letter series. So we have 15 items and time limit is 10 minutes. And we have section 6. Oh god, I forgot to mention the title of this section. So this section is general knowledge, GK. So we have 15 items and 10 minutes time limit. And what is negative marking? Negative marking is something university has set some criteria regarding an incorrect question or answer that you have done. अगर आपने कोई क्वेश्चन जो है वो रॉन्ग किया है, सो यूनिवर्सिटी हैज सेट सम क्राइटेरिया दैट नीड टू बी चेक बाय दैम, कि अगर कोई भी 1/2 या 1/5 क्राइटेरिया सेट कर लें तो जो भी आपका आंसर गलत होगा तो यू विल बी मार्क्ड अकॉर्डिंगली. Okay, that's about the video. Thank you. And if you want to get any information, any more information regarding this university, so you can comment down. You can ask anything you want to ask, and if you want to ask any information regarding any university, other university than CBM and IUBM, so you can ask. So Allah.